Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Telegram app. We'll start by getting you set up. First, download the free Telegram app from your phone's app store. Once installed, open it and register using your phone number. You'll receive a quick verification code via SMS to confirm your identity. After that, simply create your profile by adding a name and an optional profile picture. It's a straightforward process, taking just a couple of minutes to get started. Telegram offers robust messaging capabilities. You can easily send text, photos, videos, and various file types to your contacts. For larger discussions, create group chats that can accommodate an impressive 200,000 members, perfect for communities or large teams. For enhanced privacy, try secret chats, which feature end-to-end encryption and messages that can self-destruct after a set time, leaving no trace. Beyond direct messaging, Telegram provides powerful features like channels and bots. Channels allow you to broadcast messages to an unlimited audience, great for news or content sharing. Bots can automate tasks, play games, or fetch information, adding significant utility. You can also personalize your experience by choosing from various themes and setting custom chat backgrounds, making the app truly yours. Security is a cornerstone of Telegram. Always enable two-step verification for robust account protection, adding a password to your login. Take control of your privacy by adjusting settings to manage who can see your phone number or online status. Remember, Telegram offers unlimited cloud storage for your messages and files, accessible from any device, ensuring your data is always safe and available.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.